Hello everyone, this is Lubita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you that how to practice of English speaking alone at home. As well as along with it, in this video, I will give you some tips, techniques or methods which will help you to practice of English speaking alone at home. Guys, let me one thing. Do you want to know about this? If yes, you don't miss this video. You watch this video till the end, because if you watch this video till the end, you will get very easy tips, techniques, methods which will help you to practice of English speaking alone at home. Without further delay, let's begin the video. Guys, I know that you are watching this video in order to practice of English speaking alone at home. Yes, 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 of course. Guys, you must know about all these techniques, methods or tips that I'm going to tell you. Right? Let's see what are the technique, tips or method that I'm going to tell you. The more you practice of English speaking, the more you will learn to speak English. Yes, guys. Here I would like to say that this is the most powerful method to practice of English speaking. If you practice a lot of English speaking daily, one day you will definitely find change in yourself, guys, because this is the most important as well as powerful tips, method or technique. Yes. And you know, this is the most powerful method or tip of all. Yes. Guys, this method will help you a lot to practice of English speaking. You know, if you practice a lot, you will find sudden change in yourself. Guys, it is not possible in one day, but it will be definitely possible one day. Yes. I guarantee you, because I did. And next method, tip or technique is that you can practice of English speaking by memorizing about your daily routine. Guys, what does it mean? It means that if you practice about your daily routine from morning till night or whenever or when you get time, one day you will definitely able to speak very well English. Because I used to do. Then I'm telling you. I don't know what is your routine, but your routine could be anything. When you get up in the morning, you try to speak English from morning till night. Yes, something try, not more. Yes, but you do daily. Guys, if you do this daily, one day you will definitely speak very well English. Yes, I guarantee you. Got it? I want to say here, whatever work you do from morning till night, practice it in English before going to bed. Right? Got it? It means that if you recall your daily routine in English before going to bed, guys, this is also the most important as well as powerful tips or technique or method, because I did. If you do this daily, one day you will definitely able to speak very well English in front of it, because I know that everybody starts to practice of English speaking from daily routine. Yes, because I also did. I also used to practice of English speaking from my daily routine. Whatever I used to do, I used to practice of English speaking. Yes. When you practice about your daily routine in English, you say, I woke up in the morning, I did something, I ate something, I went somewhere, I went somewhere, and I studied and I went to college, something. Guys, whatever you do from morning till night, you try to speak in English daily, not only one day. The more you practice, the more you learn, guys. Right? You don't make excuses. I hope you understood about this tip or technique very well. And the next tip or technique and method is that you can practice of English speaking about situation. Your situation could be anything. Guys, if you don't have any situation, you have to create situation. It means that आपको क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन क्रिएट नहीं करना. अगर आपके पास सिचुएशन नहीं है, आपको क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन नहीं क्रिएट करना है. आपको सिर्फ इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए सिचुएशन क्रिएट करना है. सिचुएशन मतलब कोई वर्क टॉपिक रख लीजिए, राइट. देन if you create situation for English speaking, for English practicing, you try to practice about these situation what you created. Well, for example, suppose that you have to go to the market and you have to buy something, right? But how will you say? You say that I have to go to the market and I have to buy something. And if you are going to the market, you start to speak English. I'm going to the market by bike or by cycle. Well, suppose that you are going at the grocery shop. You try to speak English. I have reached at this grocery shop and now I'm going to buy something. I am buying rice. I am buying spices. I am buying turmeric. I am buying something. Cumin. गाइस, आप इंग्लिश दुकान पर इंग्लिश बोलते समय आपको थोड़ा शर्म लगेगी. आपको लगेगा लोग हमें देख रहे हैं. हाँ, लगेगी, बिल्कुल शर्म लगेगी, क्योंकि ये हमारी मदर टंग नहीं है, मदर टंग लैंग्वेज नहीं, क्योंकि हम बचपन से इसको नहीं बोलते हैं. इस वजह से हमें शर्म लगती है कि लोग हमें देखेंगे, हंसेंगे. हाँ, लोग हंसते भी हैं, देखते भी हैं, लेकिन आप तेज भले मत बोलिए, लेकिन आप धीरे धीरे थोड़ा थोड़ा जरूर बोलिए कि आई एम बाइंग समथिंग, आई एम परचेजिंग समथिंग. ठीक, आप इतना तो बोल सकते हैं ना. ये आपकी प्रैक्टिस है, क्योंकि you are practicing, you are learning this language in order to do something in your life. Now, well, that's why you are learning this language. So you have to handle the situations. Your situations could be anything. You only think about your situation, means you have created your situations for English speaking. Only you think about your situation. I have to go, I went, I have purchased, I have bought something. It means कि मतलब जो आपने खरीदा, जो आपने किया, बस वो आपकी सिचुएशन है. Means your situation could be imaginary situation. Well, I hope you understood very well about this. Guys, if you want to speak English very well, you have to practice like this, because I also practiced like this. You do not have to feel shame. If you feel shame while practicing of English speaking, I guarantee you, you will never be able to speak English. You have to remove your hesitation, fear while speaking English, while practicing English, right? Yes. Guys, अगर आप खुद से बात करते हैं तो भी लोग आपको पागल कहें. अगर आप दुकान पे कहीं जाते हैं, बात करते हैं, कुछ बोलते हैं, किसी चीज के बारे में सीखते हैं, ये है चीज, ये ऐसे है, मैंने ये खरीद रहा हूँ, तो लोग आपको थोड़ा से मतलब नजर से देखेंगे, अच्छे से हंसेंगे भी, मजाक भी उड़ा सकते हैं. लेकिन आपको ओनली यू विल हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर गोल, ऑन योर डेस्टिनेशन. यू विल नेवर फील नर्वस इफ यू थिंक अबाउट योर गोल. वेल, and the next method is that you can practice of English speaking by watching cartoons video, as well as you can improve your pronunciation by watching cartoons video. This video will help you a lot, because if you watch this video, you can get different types of vocabs. The next method, tip or technique is that you can practice of English speaking by recording your voice in your mobile, right? It means that if you really want to become fluent English teacher, speaker, whatever, you have to do this. If you do this, this mobile give you confidence in English speaking. Guys, if you face camera while practicing English, this camera, this mobile, this video will give you confidence while speaking English. Then you will find a lot of things from your video clip. Then you will able to know, wow, my video is good, as well as my facial expression is good. This is also the most important method of practice of English speaking. The last method is that you can practice of English speaking the things surrounding you. One day you will definitely become a confident person in English speaking. If you do this, you will never feel shame, fear, hesitation. Because guys, there are a lots of things surrounding us. I don't know where are you from, but I am from village. But if you are from village, it's too much okay. First of all, we go to practice of English speaking in our environment. First of all, we feel hesitation, fear, shame. Why do we feel fear, hesitation, or shame? I know very well about this because I used to do this. Well, like you can say this is a mango tree, this is a guava tree, this is a house, this is a ladyfinger, this is a this is my field. These are animals. You can say these are animals. They are grazing. Your work is different from the people's work. राइट आप लोगों को हंसने दो ना, लोग कुछ हंस के क्या करेंगे, कुछ नहीं करेंगे, कुछ दिन हंसेंगे ना, पहले पहले ऐसा होता सबके साथ, सभी लोग हंसते हैं कि हमारी ये भाषा नहीं है इसलिए लोग हम पे हंसते हैं। अगर हम ये बचपन से ये भाषा बोल कर आते तो कोई हम पर नहीं हंसता। अगर हम हिंदी बोलते हैं तो कोई हंसता है? कोई नहीं हंसता है। इसका कारण यही है कि हम बचपन से हिंदी बोल कर अपनी मदर टंग में हम किसी से बात करते हैं तो कोई नहीं हंसता है। अगर वही इसी की जगह अगर इंग्लिश से बात करते हैं ना, इंग्लिश में लोग हंसते हैं, वाह अभी क्या बोल रहा है, पागल हो गया, पेड़ पौधे से बात कर रहा है, जानवरों से बात कर रहा। नो, ये आपका काम है, आप करिए। कुछ दिन लोग हंसेंगे, लोग हंसते जरूर, लेकिन कुछ दिन हंसेंगे लेकिन हमेशा नहीं हंसते। इफ यू अंडरस्टूड माई ऑल पॉइंट्स, टिप्स, टेक्निक्स, मेथड्स, you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching my video.